What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on SLP, or the Smooth Love Potion, or the utility token of Axie Infinity. I'm covering this a little bit late, alright? I'm sorry. I know that I still probably have somewhat of a SLP community or Axie Infinity community around the channel, because I have covered SLP a lot, alright? During these days that I've done YouTube. Covered it a lot. It has been very bullish right now, so we'll talk about that. We'll take a look at it. We'll talk about what's most likely in terms of the price. Right now you can see SLP yesterday broke above this major resistance level between, I'm calling this 2500, all right? 2500 is 0.002500. All right, so it broke above 2500 and 2300, major resistance level. Already broke above 2000 earlier that day, I actually think. Yeah, earlier, like yesterday morning, broke above that level again, bullish confirmation. I should have entered. I was looking at it, but too late. And right now, I'm not sure if it is too late. We'll talk about that, but all right. So the main reason why SLP is bullish like this, in my eyes, is that it is manipulated. All right, if you take a look at some of where the volume is coming from, a lot of volume coming from CTEX, Top Credit, some Turkish volume. Usually if that's the case, it's manipulated. Doesn't matter. Could still be bullish, could be bearish. And apart from that, which is also true, and I've actually been telling you about this for the entire year, if I can still access this. Yeah, what is true is that SLP, like if you take a look at how much is burned and how much is minted, SLP basically has been deflationary for the entire year. I'm pretty sure. Like if you take a look at this, the total minted is 270 million SLP, and then the total burned is 1.6 billion SLP. All right, so that's a net burn of, let's say, 1.3 billion tokens, which is, you know, quite a lot. It's not like, in terms of the market cap, it's not like a huge amount, but it's quite a lot. Like it's definitely not nothing. So you should know that. Maybe that makes it an attractive investment for you for the long term, because it is deflationary. And if the price goes up even more and it becomes more deflationary and the bull market comes, then Axie Infinity will also be played more, and then more SLP will be minted and burned. That will cause the price of SLP to go up even more. You get what I'm saying? Could be a good buy, all right, on the long term. But we'll talk about the short term right now. On the short term, like a move like this is not normal. But all right, the big question is can it rally up higher? Like the main price target in my eyes is right here between 3,000 and 3,200. That's basically like a mix between a Fibonacci level, which is that orange level, and the 3,000 psychological resistance level. So can it get up there? And I think that's hard to say, all right? Because, like, first of all, I want to say, technically, there's nothing bearish about SLP right now. There just isn't. Like, it is still very bullish. And on the other hand, or at least on the other hand, though, you can see that the open interest, basically since yesterday evening, when it got that bullish breakout, has been falling flat. And the volume as well. Volume initially rose a little bit more, but now it has fallen flat. So that's a problem, because that means that SLP is still bullish, but it's losing momentum. So I would say what it needs to do is it needs to, for the next 24 hours, I would say at least hold this level at 2,500 as support, right? So as long as it stays above that level, or if it drops down below that level and drops down towards 2,300, which is also a strong support, or it gets right back above it, all right? So if it drops down below that level, it should retake that level as support instantly after. If it's able to do that for the next, let's say, 36 hours, then I do expect that it will move up higher. Like it will break above 2,700, and if it breaks above 2,700, that's the main bullish confirmation you need to get, and then it will rally up to 3,000 and 3,200. But it does need to hold the support, because I'm saying that for a reason. Like it's losing some momentum right now. If it keeps losing momentum, SLP will just drop down below 2,500. It will become resistance, and then all of a sudden you have bearish confirmation. All right, so then all of a sudden SLP drops down to 2,000 and it's over, or at least this rally is over. So if I would have to give you my most likely scenario, I would say that SLP will continue. All right, like I said, it still looks very bullish. Open interest is not growing anymore, but it's also not really decreasing that much. So those are my final thoughts, all right? That's my take on SLP. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know. Apart from this, I also have my own premium/signal group in which I share all of my own trades as signals. So if you want to make some profits with that, while also becoming a better trader yourself with our amazing community and the trading guides, consider joining. Links will be down in the description or the pinned comment. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.